Welcome back to the HZ English Pod. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Today, we're teaching you how to start a conversation in English.
This is perfect for A2 to B1 learners. Simple, natural, and easy to use.
If you want more English tips, hit that subscribe button right now.
Let's go.
Tip number 1. Start with a greeting plus a question.
Don't just say hi. Say hi. How are you today?
Or, hey, how's it going?
It's friendly and opens the door for conversation.
Try it. Hi, how are you?
Perfect. Next tip.
Tip number 2. Comment on something around you.
Look at the weather, the place, or something interesting.
For example, nice weather today, right?
Or, this coffee shop is so cozy.
It's natural and easy. People love talking about their surroundings.
Simple, but powerful.
Tip number 3. Give a compliment.
Everyone loves compliments. Say something nice.
I love your jacket. Where'd you get it?
Or, your English is really good. How long have you been learning?
It makes people feel good and they'll want to talk more.
Compliments are conversation starters.
Tip 4. Last tip. Ask for help or advice.
People love helping. It's a great way to start talking.
Say, excuse me, do you know where the train station is?
Or, can you recommend a good restaurant here?
It's polite and it starts a conversation naturally.
Easy and effective.
Quick recap. Greeting plus question. Comment on surroundings. Give a compliment. And ask for help.
Use these 4 ways and you'll start conversations like a pro.
You got this. Which tip will you try first? Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the HZ English Pod for more daily English practice.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.